Pull out the fender liner by rotating the lock screws. Turn left and open the dust cover. Turn left and take out the stock light from the housing. Use the driver to loose the retainer and take out the halogen bulb. Remove the metal retainer holder. Plug in the power connector. Turn on low beam to test if the LED bulb works. If it does not work, please flip over the power connector and plug in again. Put the LED bulb into the housing. Turn right and lock it in place. Adjust the direction of the bulb until the power cable is vertical. Put dust cover back on. Put the fender liner back on and lock it by rotating the lock screws. Turn the switch to unlock the whole bracket. Put the car into reverse to test if the LED bulb works. If it does not work, please turn around the LED bulb and plug in again.